There's a couple of things that I want to see you do on this table of data. First of all, we are going to eliminate a couple of these columns where the numbers are smaller and would not be big enough data points to help us, and they would just really kind of obscure other parts of the data that we want to look at. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and click on column E, and you can do this two ways. You could do it with a right click, or you can do it by clicking on this little arrow right here. Click this and just say delete column, and then it'll shift everything back over to the right. I would also like to see you do that with this smaller Denmark/Baltic column. Again, the numbers are so small in comparison to the others that it will cover up other things we want to see. So go ahead and click that and delete that column. Okay, makes it a smaller, easier table of data to work with. Then I want to see you put some totals in this column and in this row right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a formula. You don't have to add these up manually. You can use a formula. So you're going to do equals, and then you're going to do type, SUM, gives you sum. Go ahead and hit enter, and then it's asking you for a range of values. So you can do this a couple different ways. You could just type in B4 to F4, or you could just click and drag like that. That's probably easier, but I'm going to show you how you could just type B4 colon F4. Okay, so that just gets that part right there. Just hit finish the parentheses, enter, and that gives us a total right there. Then, really simply, to get the rest, just go click on this right corner box and drag it down, and it will automatically fill totals for all of the other columns, just automatically for you. Then over here, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to do it for columns, not rows. So equals sum, and then we're going to take it from here to here, enter, and I've got my total there, and then just drag it across right there. Alright, easy. Now let's do a chart of all of our data so we can see comparisons and see it visually. So what you're going to do is go ahead and highlight this, not the totals, just this part right here, from this row to here and from here to here. Okay, then you're going to go to Insert Chart, click that. Okay, I've already been working with this, so this is the first one that popped up, which is the one I want you to do. It may not come up automatically. It may show you some others like this, but I definitely think this is probably the best one to look at. It's probably the most informative. So go ahead and click this one, and let's insert. Alright, so you can have it positioned wherever you want. I'll just be grading you on if it's inserted into the document or not. So go ahead and click off of that, and you've got your chart. And you can see some trends here. You can see how there's almost no France up until a certain year. You can see how Great Britain increases up to here and then it totally stops. You can see Portugal, Brazil, small, and then getting larger, almost the majority right here. So it shows some pretty cool trends right there that are going to be helpful as you analyze data. Alright, that's all you need to do for that. Now go on to the third part.